Welcome to the Excel Gross to Net report. The report is to be ran from post-update reports. You would highlight the report and then select Report to Excel, entering the date range and clicking OK. You would need to highlight the columns from left to right and then click Copy. And then on the spreadsheet, you would paste the columns in and then update pivot table. Once the report's refreshed, on the right hand side you can select the fields you wish to show. And you can also subtotal via department.